Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be checking out a flashlight. This company, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Brinyte, contacted me via email, asked me if I would like to review their flashlight. And I personally have never heard of this company, and I figured why not? Let's give it a shot, you know, see what they're all about. So it's a tactical flashlight. It's called the PT16. Comes in this box here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we've got. So there is the flashlight. Very, very nice design here. Very good machining, no rough edges. Let's see, we got USB-C charging, very nice, which means it's quick charging. Feels very good in the hand, and it's also a good size as well. Pocket clip here. Very strong spring, which is nice. Then you got your tactical ring. It has got a tactical dual tail switch here, which we'll get into the functions of that later. Brinyte PT16. See what kind of accessories they've included with this. Alright, let's see here. A couple extra O-rings, which is very nice. We've got a charging cable with a rather long cable on it, which is also nice because a lot of companies give you really short ones. So, got ourselves a lanyard. And a high drain rechargeable Li battery. This is a 21700 cell, so very nice battery size there, which means it'll have good long run time. And we got some literature. It's got a 3-year warranty period. You need to register it on their website, which is fine. Very cool. And then, of course, we've got product description. And then we've got a bunch of battery installation and other things on here, but this is what we are interested in. This is a total output of 2000 lumens on turbo, 820 lumens on high, medium is 130, low is 10, and strobes at 1600, and your SOS is 300. Alright. This has also got a, let's see here, IP68 for the water resistance range. Well, we'll keep that right there. Let's go ahead and check out this battery. It's got some weight to it. I like the fact that they have branded their own battery, which means it's going to be a nice cell. It's not a third-party battery. So 3.6 volts at 18 watts. It's got weight to it, which is very nice. Alright, let's get into this. Very nice spring there. And this has, it's got dual gaskets on here for added protection. Very nice. Let's go ahead and screw that in there. All right. So this switch on the front has got your battery indicator for the green, and turn it off, it's hold it down. But I want to make sure that I get these outputs on this light right. Let's see here. So we've got low, medium, high, wow, and then turbo, which is your full 2000. And then to turn it off, hold it down and it's off. So one on, hold down for off. Man, that is really, dude, that is like extremely bright. Very bright, wow. Kind of give me a bit of a headache there. The beam's really intense. It's got a really intense focus for this size of a light. Now, our tactical tail switch, which is really cool. So if you hold this one down, that's immediate strobe, which a lot of people don't know, but it is for self-defense. Imagine getting hit in the face with that. And it's really nice that that's a instant mode feature there. So you got your other tail cap. You can soft press it for immediate turbo. Yeah, you soft press for immediate turbo. One click on, goes back to turbo, and then you've got your brightness selector here, which is, in my opinion, a really cool feature because you don't always have to worry about turning this one on. See? So and for 10 lumens, that is really bright. Oh, excuse me. It's got a really intense focus beam on here. And then you can hold it down from that mode too, and it also gives you the strobe. That strobe's crazy. But all in all, I really like this light. I've never heard of the company, and I think they've got a shot here. They're putting out a good product. I really like this tail switch design. Really, really cool. The only thing I would like to see... Well, is it movable? Okay, never mind. My bad. I was saying I would like to see that this pocket clip can be moved, but it actually can be. It can be moved, so sweet. Yeah. So, let's go outside. Let's get some screenshots of this bad boy. And, then we'll meet back at the bench and end the video. After the screenshots, of course. Coming up now. Alright guys, so we're in the truck. We've got that flashlight from Brinyte. We're going to go ahead and check out some of the night shots on this light. Very cool design. So let's go ahead. So we're going to, got the main power button here. So this is low. And that's medium. So that's my bad. That's low, medium, high, and then turbo, which is a full 2000 lumens. And I'll tell you, it's got really good throw on it for the size of this light. Very good throw. Low's really, really good. I mean, and it'll run you a long time. Medium, it's got, you know, that tree is a good probably 100 yards over there. Maybe 50 yards. And check that out. Really bright. And with that battery in here, it's going to give it a long run time. But I think one of the coolest things about this light that I really like is the tail cap and mode selector. But you can just press this once and it literally gives you your self-defense mode. Just, you don't even have to have any of the let me show you. You don't have to have, it can be literally just off. So you got, you know, the main power switch there, and you've got your two tactical switches. If you hold just this one down, self-defense, that's what this is for. So it's really, that's a really cool feature that I've never seen on a flashlight, and very helpful. So, and the other thing is you got this tactical switch on the back which will turn it on, and then you can use that little selector to select your modes. And that, in my opinion, is something that you will not see on any other lights that I know of. And that's a game changer. The amount of power that comes out of this thing. And I've never heard of this company, but I'm really interested in see what other lights they have, because this is, it feels quality. It's nice and heavy. The switches respond very well. They're not loose. They're not, you know, they don't slip. They're nice and solid and sturdy. So, all right. Well, that's going to do it for the night shots. Let's go ahead and head in. See you back at the workbench. All right, so we're back at the bench. Those were some really awesome night shots. This flashlight is a beast for such a little guy, or I wouldn't say a little guy, but it's got really good throw on it. Really intense beam. Overall, I think the quality and build is really nice. It's got weight to it, but it's not too heavy, but it's also not too light, meaning that it was made from cheap materials. The buttons feel very good. All the springs and all the buttons are very responsive. And overall, I hope to see more products from this company, Brinyte. If they have any more, I'll find out. But overall, very, very awesome flashlight, and I'm glad to have one in my collection now. So if you guys want to head over and grab one, there's going to be a link in the description. And yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. So until next time, y'all have a good one.